We live in a world where transformation is the currency to survive, driven by changes in available data and technology. The construction and estates management sector has the power to use data to bring communities together, reduce carbon emissions and increase efficiencies, supporting a better environment for local people to live and work in. In the UK, local authorities are responsible for more than £25 billion of capital spend per annum and £4 billion of maintenance to manage and operate our towns and cities. The sector has multiple objectives and pressures: meeting tight budgets and carbon reduction targets, being quick to react to major incidents, and reducing waste. How leaders measure and provide evidence of those is key. Are you able to provide evidence of meeting statutory responsibilities, protect yourself from unforeseen incidents, respond quickly to changing legislation? Now imagine a world where you had crystal vision across multiple departments, where everyone could view the same data at the same time, enabling clear interpretation and better decision-making. Here's the good news. This is all possible and can be delivered in an affordable and efficient way with a managed deployment of data and information management approach across your organisation. Digital information management can be integrated with building information modelling, also known as BIM. However, BIM is much more than creating 3D models. It's about having reliable access to information and data. This allows you to efficiently plan, design, construct and manage buildings and infrastructure. It puts data in the right place, at the right time and in the right format. This supports accurate reporting that can be used to check if strategic aims are being met. It also builds resilience against unseen challenges and supports effective emergency planning. So how can BIM help? Let's hear from a success story.
Following the collapse of the previous property provider, the council undertook a fundamental review of property services. Our risks of not adopting BIM were that we didn't have direct access to our own data, therefore there was a risk that decision making was being impacted. The benefits we saw of adopting BIM were de-risked design and contracting process for projects, reliable data being delivered to us, supporting better decision making and management. We started with a low-cost proof of concept trial. We utilised software that we already had using SharePoint as an information management sharing platform. After we had completed the trial, leaders made a decision to embrace new ways of working and embed this across multiple teams. I'd say that our key lessons and takeaways to the secrets of success are to stay focused on the outcome without expanding into too large a programme to begin with. It was essential to implement a proof of concept to begin with, and then once the benefits were realised, roll this out to a larger programme of work. This approach enabled an initial low-cost investment to make the early-stage business case.
I'm really delighted that Stockport Council is part of this important project. Using data and evidence to do informed decision making is vital, and particularly in terms of estates management when we're making long-term decisions with major consequences. Already in Stockport, we're seeing greater collaboration across our own departments, but also with partners throughout the entire public property portfolio. We've got greater clarity on what's being procured at the outset, and that then speeds up delivery and improves quality at the end of the product. Cohesive and comprehensive data sets are backing up decisions made at the most senior level of the organisation, and we can now have a more in-depth look at forward strategic planning, giving us a much healthier view of what investment is required over a 5, 10 and 15-year period.
BIM can help you prepare for future challenges, build planning resilience and drive out wasted time and cost in exchanging and preparing information between parties. Research shows that an investment in BIM and information management provides evidence for clear decision-making, allows tracking from project inception through to delivery and operations, and enables operational savings through better data systems. Using BIM in this way can ensure that you demonstrate that you are meeting your goals. Through a proof of concept trial, you and your organisation can take the first steps into a digital future. Learn how a proof of concept trial could support your business planning, reporting and outcomes. Implementing your trial will give you wider awareness of your system and software's effectiveness enabling stakeholder engagement and better outcomes. Improve your strategic target reporting, asset handovers to operations and access to information for future planning. Many local authorities are already utilising BIM. Join them today.